Hi guys, today we are going to discuss another important interview question and which is based on actually they will ask in a theoretical way. Okay. So basically, what is the difference between delete versus drop versus truncate commands in SQL? Okay. Let me go with the first theoretically, then we'll go ahead and we'll show you how we are going to deal with this particular things in SQL. First of all, delete is a DML command. Okay. When it comes to drop, it is a DDL command. And truncate also, it is a DDL command. When you are dealing with the delete, right? Okay, you can delete entire table, okay, entire table data, as well as if you wanted to delete specific row. When I say specific row, for example, if you take employee department, you wanted to delete only specific row. For example, 100 employee, if you wanted to delete, you can delete it using delete. But when it comes to drop, you can drop it at table level, but drop, it is going to remove the table as well as metadata, which means that particular object itself, it is going to be removed from the database. Next time, whenever you query the data, automatically it is going to be, you can't see that in that particular thing, it is going to tell us tabular view doesn't exist. Okay. When it comes to truncate, it will remove the data table level. Okay, table level only, but it will not remove the metadata, which means it is going to remove the data, but it is not going to touch any structure. Delete can be rolled back using rollback command, because when we are dealing with the delete DML operations, we do have an option rollback, save point, and commit is there. Because of that, what we can do, we can go ahead and we can roll back, or using save point, you can again roll back using save point and rollback, you can use it and you can roll back the operation. But when it comes to drop cannot be rolled back, but can be flashback the table. We do have an option, okay, flashback table name, automatically whatever the data which has been, whatever the table which has been removed, it is available in the recycle bin. Okay, automatically using flashback table, we can go ahead and we can get that back. I'll show you in the practical. When it comes to truncate, cannot be rollback, cannot flashback as well. Okay. And when it comes to the commands, whatever I am showing here, how the syntax goes, we'll see. Delete from table, where condition, drop table name, truncate table name. First, we'll go ahead and we'll create some dummy tables. Okay. 3 tables will do that and we'll see how it works. First, we'll create table, okay, employees underscore delete, okay, from as select star from employees, okay. Here, what we are doing, just we are creating 3 tables, okay. One is delete, another one is I'm doing truncate, another one is drop, okay. Drop table, nothing but from existing table. I'm going ahead and I'm taking the structure as well as data as well. 3 tables has been created. Now let's query every table. Select star from employees, delete, okay, as well as rest of the tables as well. Here we can go ahead and we can do here truncate, okay, we can do drop. Here we can see every table we have a 108 records, okay, 108 records. Now when it comes to, if you can go ahead and do one by one operation, delete, okay, delete from table, what table? Delete from table, okay. If you do delete from table, okay, what happened? 108 rows, everything has been deleted. Now can I roll back this operation? Yes, using rollback, what I can do, I can go ahead and I can roll back. Now, if I can go ahead and do that, select star from employees, delete, we can see back that entire data. Okay. Now let me do that again. Okay, then we'll show you select. After that, you will understand much more clear. Okay, select star from employees, delete. First, what we are doing, we are deleting entire table data. Then after that, what we are doing, we are seeing the data. Okay, we don't see any data because it has been deleted. Now, if you do rollback, automatically 108 rows has been rolled back, and now you can see here 108 rows has been completed. Because of rollback, we can see that now you have performed entire table level. Now, if you wanted to perform specific row level, okay, let's take the first 100 employees. Okay, how you can do that? Delete start from employees delete where employee ID equals to 100. Okay, if you do that, what up? Not a star, sorry for that. Delete from. Okay, you can see here one row deleted. Now, if I can go back and see, select start from delete. Okay, what happened? 107 rows will be present, 100 won't be present here. Okay, now if we can roll back again, I can go ahead and I can do that. Now, if you can select it again, 108 rows are present. Using delete, what you can do, you can delete entire table data, as well as if you want specific row, you can delete it using specific row. But when it comes to delete, you can revert the changes using rollback. Okay, let's go ahead and do the truncate. Okay, what is the table? Here you can see truncate. What is the syntax, guys? Truncate table name. Okay, if you do truncate table name, okay, what is going to happen? It is removed. Okay, the table has been truncated, which means none of the data is present. Okay, select star from truncate. Okay, now if you can, even now you don't see any data, even if you use rollback. Okay, can we get that? Nothing. Okay, we are not going to get anything. Okay, now if we can go ahead and do this here, nothing. Still, we don't see any data. Truncate is done. Truncate at works only entire table level. It is going to remove entire data. We can't roll back. Okay, we can't roll back. We can't flash back as well. And it is a auto committed. You need not to do commit anything manually. Okay, when it comes to drop. Okay, see, and one more important thing, if I can go ahead and query this, select star from employees truncate, I can see the table structure still. Okay, but when it comes to table drop, okay, here I have created table drop first. Okay, select star from employee drop table. Okay, what I can see, I can see the data as well as table. Now, if I can use drop table, syntax is drop table name. Okay, here I'm using the drop table name. I have done. Okay, I have done. But now, if I can go ahead and do select star from this particular table. Okay, this particular table, the object has been removed. Which means table has been removed, data as well as structure as well. Here you can see that. Okay, now let's go back and do that. Flashback table. What is the table name? Employees drop. Okay, using flashback we can get back that. Okay, this particular table has been not enabled, flashback table. Okay, ignore this. But in general, we can have a flashback table. Okay, using that automatically we can get back this data. But okay, we cannot do it drop at single row or this particular thing. Whenever you use drop, that particular object has been removed. That's it for the day, guys. Thank you so much.